What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove a crown or take the watch movements out of the watch. So over here I have this watch that a company sent me to photograph. However, to photograph the dial I actually need to get the movements out of the watch and just shoot the dial directly because of the glass reflection. And they actually provided me with information on how to remove the crown, so I want to show you guys. This is a NH-35 movement, and to remove the crown, all you have to do is, once you get the case back out by removing some screws, you're gonna expose the movement. This is an automatic movement, so again, the crown is gonna be in a couple different positions. And if you can see, if I push the crown in and then take it out, you can see there's a little pointy thing that actually moves around, like somewhere here. Right now it's hidden. If I push the crown in, you can see this thing is actually exposed. And if I pull it out, it can pull out for two positions. Okay, so this is the part you want to press. So you need to make sure that this part is actually exposed before you can press down on the thing and then get the crown out. Okay, so basically you're just gonna press this area, and once you press it down, it actually releases the crown. That's when you can actually pull the crown out. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do it with this hand on the crown so I can get it out. And of course, if it's a threaded crown, make sure it's unthreaded, okay, so you can pull it out. Again, we're gonna make sure that little pin is exposed right there. I'm gonna press down on it. And pull it out, as you can see, easy as that. So there you have it. The crown's out, and again, I'm actually photographing the dial. So later on, you can put the crown, physically in there once you get the case or the movement out. So, but the process of putting the crown back into the movement is exactly the same. So I'll show you after I finish taking the pictures when I put it back into the case back, and then you guys will know how to remove and reinstall the crown. Okay, so see you in the next section of the video. Okay, so I just finished photographing the dial for the watch company, and now I need to actually put it back into the case and then put the crown back. And let me just show you guys how. So make sure the crown hole is aligned with the crown hole over here on the case. And you're just gonna very carefully, slowly drop it in there and make sure everything's aligned. Okay, so make sure everything's aligned. So that looks about right there. Okay, and now all you have to do, get your crown ready, and it's a reverse process. So you're gonna find that little pin on the top over there, kind of hard to see, but it's a little indentation over there. Use a very fine pick to press on the indentation. While pressing, slowly put your crown back in there. Make sure it's aligned and there's no problem. Okay, so in my case, it looks like it's still a little off. It's not perfectly aligned. I'm gonna turn it. Yep, that looks right. So it definitely requires more precision when you put the crown back to align it. And now I'm gonna push indentation, press, and push. Right there. Sometimes you have to turn it just a little bit so it gets locked in there, because there's a little groove over there. So what I did before is I just turned it very slightly, and it got fit into that groove, particular groove, and it's back on there. So the very last step is just put your case back on there and then, screw the case back nice and tight. Okay, so that's it. If you guys have any questions on how to remove this particular movement out of the case of the watch, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please do hit the like button or subscribe, and I would highly appreciate it. Thanks again, and take care.